For next year's Galaxy S24 launch, Samsung is intent on reversing one of the factors that contributed to the success of this year's Galaxy S23 release. In a break from prior norms, Samsung employed a single processor for every Galaxy S23 model released worldwide. Previous Galaxy S releases were defined by split CPUs. Smartphones sold in the US and Asia often had Qualcomm silicon, while other areas of the world received Samsung phones powered by Exynos chipsets. And it seems like Samsung is following suit with the Galaxy S24. We've previously heard claims that Exynos-powered flagships would be available in select locations, and now a well-known leaker insists it will happen. Europe will embrace 100% ICE Universe tweeted in reference to the Exynos 2400 and its presence in the forthcoming Galaxy S24 models. The tweet was a follow-up to earlier Exynos 2400 leaker information, specifically that it would have a peak speed of 3.16 GHz on its main core, with secondary cores giving speeds of 2.9 GHz, 2.6 GHz, and 1.95 GHz. Those figures are unlikely to assuage the fears of anybody acquainted with earlier Samsung Galaxy S models that used a split chipset method. The Galaxy S models powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon Silicon outpaced the identical phones powered by the Exynos system-on-chip. That did not happen with the Galaxy S23 since every model utilized the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Not only did this imply constant performance regardless of where in the world you purchased your Samsung phone, but it also meant top performance for an Android handset since the S23 featured a type of Qualcomm silicon specialized for speed. The processor also improved power efficiency, as each Galaxy S23 model had a longer battery life than its S22 counterpart. The Galaxy S23 Ultra also ranked high on our top phone battery life list, which showcases the phones that perform the best on our battery test. Who knows why Samsung will abandon that experience to offer alternative chipsets for its Galaxy S24 models, while it's speculated that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 under development at Qualcomm is apparently expensive enough to discourage certain Android phone manufacturers from utilizing it in their products. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.